Hey there plant enthusiasts! Welcome back to Gardening Glory, the go-to place for all things green and thriving. Today, we're diving into a common concern many of you have been reaching out about, the mystery behind why your Christmas cactus isn't blooming. Don't worry, we've got you covered. Stick around as we unravel the secrets and share some tips to get those beautiful blooms back. But before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss our helpful plant care tips. Have you ever wondered why your Christmas cactus seems to be on a blooming strike, especially when the holiday season is just around the corner? Well, you're not alone. Let's explore some of the common issues behind this festive foliage rebellion. Issue 1. Light and location. First up, let's talk about light. Christmas cacti are native to the rainforests of Brazil, where they thrive in filtered sunlight. If your cactus isn't blooming, it might be because it's not getting the right amount of light. Make sure it's placed in a bright but indirect light spot. Too much direct sunlight or too little light can both be culprits. Issue 2. Temperature and humidity. Next on our list is temperature and humidity. Christmas cacti are a bit finicky about their environment. They prefer cooler temperatures and higher humidity levels. If your home is too warm or too dry, it might be affecting your cactus's ability to bloom. Try to maintain a cooler environment, and consider placing a tray of water near the plant to increase humidity. Issue 3. Watering and soil. Now, let's talk about watering and soil. Overwatering or underwatering can both lead to blooming issues. Christmas cacti like their soil to be consistently moist but not waterlogged. Ensure that the soil drains well, and water your cactus when the top inch of the soil feels dry to the touch. Also, avoid using hard water, as the salts can accumulate in the soil and affect blooming. Issue 4. Dormancy period. Did you know that Christmas cacti need a period of dormancy to bloom? They require about 6 weeks of shorter days and cooler temperatures to initiate the blooming process. If your cactus isn't getting this dormancy period, it might explain the lack of blooms. During this time, reduce watering and keep the cactus in a cooler location, around 50 to 60 degrees Fahrenheit. And there you have it. The keys to unlocking the mystery of why your Christmas cactus isn't blooming. Remember, it's all about providing the right conditions: proper light, temperature, humidity, watering, and that essential dormancy period. Give your cactus a little extra TLC, and you'll likely see those beautiful blooms just in time for the holidays. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and share it with your fellow plant lovers. Until next time, happy gardening!